Snoring is really common, but it is not normal. We are not meant to be snoring when we're breathing at night. And snoring, for some individuals, pushes past that to sleep apnea, which is when they stop breathing at night. But snoring by itself without sleep apnea is not only disruptive to the sleep of those around you, can actually be harmful to your health. It can create other conditions. So it is a nuisance. Nobody that I've ever met wants to be a snorer. Nobody that I've ever met wants to sleep next to a snorer or anywhere near a snorer. Yet a lot of us are snorers, and so a lot of us have airway issues that we should be dealing with.